All right, so I have here this yarn winder, and it did come in a few pieces, so you need to assemble it first, but you just attach that top thing at the top, then you have this bar that you push through here, and then you can attach this little screw here that'll keep it together, and screw that in all the way. That allows it to stay in place whenever you attach it to a table. And then this piece here will actually attach to the table, and you can screw this part down here when you attach it to a table to wind. So it's pretty simple to use. You're just going to put your yarn on there like that, thread it through this metal piece, and then start winding.
You want to go gently at first.
And then the end result gives you this nice little cone of your thread. That way you can use it much more easily when you're crocheting or knitting or whatever you do. You know, you could wind up your yarn by hand, but that just takes so much time, and you don't always get a good, nice little usable cone or ball after you do that. So this thing just speeds up the whole process and gives you something that you can actually use after you're done. So, but yeah, my daughter uses these kinds of things, and she says that they're so helpful in keeping all of her yarn nice and tidy and then able to use. So yeah, she definitely recommends it. We like it.